So after everything, was buying the iPad Air M4 worth it? For me, yes. Not because it's the most powerful tablet, not because it's an Apple product, and definitely not because everyone else was buying one. It was worth it because it solved almost all of the problems I had. I no longer have to carry my heavy laptop everywhere just to present my lessons. I can annotate naturally with the Apple Pencil, making my classes more interactive. I finally have a device that lets me start learning digital art with Procreate, something I've wanted to do for years. And perhaps the biggest reason of all, I bought a device that I believe will stay with me for many years through software updates and reliable performance. Now, is it perfect? No. I wish the battery lasted longer with the way I use it. I also think 128 gigabytes feels a little limiting for creative work, especially when editing videos and installing larger apps. But even with those compromises, I don't regret buying it. Because this wasn't about owning another Apple product. It was about investing in a tool that fits the way I work today and the person I want to become tomorrow. So if you're currently deciding between an Android tablet and an iPad, or maybe you're wondering if spending this much money is really worth it, don't let YouTube reviews make the decision for you. Start by asking yourself one question. What problem am I trying to solve? Because once you know the answer to that, choosing the right device becomes much easier. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit the like button. It helps this video reach more people who are trying to make the same decision. And if you enjoy honest stories about technology, not from a tech reviewer, but from a teacher and an everyday user trying to solve real problems, consider subscribing to Digital Docu TV. This is just the beginning of my journey with the iPad Air. In the next few videos, I'll be sharing my experience learning Procreate as a complete beginner, how I actually use the iPad in my classroom, and whether it can become an even bigger part of my productivity and content creation workflow. So, if that sounds interesting, I'll see you in the next video.